Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel for another video. If you're new to this channel, my name is Sadie's, and on today's video we're going to be doing a PO unboxing. So I'll be showing y'all a few packages that was sent to me by brands. So let's get into it. Thumbs up this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so first things first is some perfume. It was sent to me in this box. It was a PR package, but they didn't like package it up usually how I would get my PR packages, but it is actually Flower Bomb's new scent. So Flower Bomb sent me this. Thank you, y'all. Well, actually that's the scent, but it was from Victor and Rolf. That's the name of the Flower Bomb brand. So it's the Flower Bomb Ruby Orchid perfume. So yeah, and yeah, that's what they sent me. So it smells really good. I've already opened it up to smell it. And I haven't bought a Flower Bomb. Well, I haven't gifted a Flower Bomb perfume in a minute. My babe bought me a Flower Bomb maybe like years ago, about 4 years ago. But anyways, this is how it looks. This is how it's packaged. It is the 50 ml 1.7. So this is the big bottle. And it smells so good. This comes in this pink container. Okay. You can leave your little review about it with the hashtag. And here is the bottle. This is actually the front of the bottle. It has this little thing here. So cute. Super cute. Love that. Okay. And it has like the scent of it to me. Let me tell y'all what it smells like. It smells like woody. It smells woody and sweet. It smells sweet. Like literally, if you don't like sweet scents, don't get this. It's literally, it smells like that. Yeah, cause see, it's a ruby orchid. That's a flower. Yeah, it smells woody, and it's floral, and it's sweet. So that's what I would say. It smells really good, and it's strong. It's strong. So you only need like 2 little pumps. So good size bottle. Yeah, and Flower Bomb always, I think it's so cute. It's just like really simple, really cute, like so cute. Okay, so that was another package that they sent me. So yeah. Okay, so y'all, another package that was sent to me by a brand. I need to remember which brand this is, but I don't know. It says Hey Mygo on the pack. Yeah, it's Amazon brand, I think. They sent me this, and what it is it's a makeup bag, and it has makeup brushes in it, and it's like a travel size, which you always need makeup brushes, like period. I always need makeup brushes. So some of them came covered, but they have like all the makeup brushes. You got your angle brush, you have your little crease cut brush, you have your fluffy brush, you have your flat concealer brush. Love that. Got your little blush brush. What's this? Oh, this is your foundation brush right here. This is like an angled contour. Let me see. It's an angled contour brush right there. And then you got some of these. That's a spoolie, a double spoolie. So you got angled on the end. So a good little brush set. So I'll link this in my Amazon storefront because, yeah, I believe these all came from Amazon. So really cute, as y'all can see all the little things is going. So yeah, I'll have these a link for y'all if y'all want to shop with them. Okay, so y'all, the next, I don't know what happened with my camera, but the next thing that I have here is, hold on, oh y'all, I was taking photos while I was recording. But the next thing I have is this super huge PR package from L'Oreal. L'Oreal is my peoples. They always send me some bomb packages. So y'all, the next package that I have is this super huge package from L'Oreal. L'Oreal is my peoples. They always send me some good stuff. Like I mess with L'Oreal. And it's so crazy because this was the first brand I started out like using when I started doing makeup, and I started getting into makeup. Like I was always buying L'Oreal and Maybelline, like period. So they put all their little TikTok-y information on there. And let's get into it. So they sent me this package here. This is what it is. It's big, y'all. Y'all see? This is what it comes in. Woo! Okay. So It's their Splash Into Summer L'Oreal Paris fan favorite for a sun soaked look, and it's the True Match Lumi Glotion Glow Paradise Balm lipstick, and it's the Glow Paradise Balm in Gloss. Now the Balm in Gloss is what I'm wearing right now. It's real pretty. I put a little bit on though, but I need to go. I think the color I got is Plush. It's in my purse. But anyways, we're gonna get into it with the first shade, and this is just so cute. I love the branding and the marketing. Look how cute this is. So it's a gloomy lotion. So let's see, because I think this is more so my color. Let me see. Let's see what it's giving. Y'all see them two little pumps right there that I just put on. All right. Can y'all see that? I'm about to take a shower anyways when I finish with this video. So let's just go crazy with it, and let's see if it gives a shine. Hold up, y'all. Oh yes, look at there. Okay. It don't got a scent to it, which is good, but it do got like a little. Okay, it got a shimmer, but it's not sticky. It don't get sticky, so that's a good thing. So, and this is in the color Deep Glow. So we got that one. And then, hold on one second. We got, and I'm actually in a bridesmaids group. I am a maid of honor for my aunt. So, what happened? I'm thinking like a lot of these PR packages I'm getting to put them in the bridesmaids containers. So let's see. And then we have this one. This is another shade. This is Medium Glow. And then we have, this is more like my sister-in-law. This is Light Glow. So this is for my light girls. And then we're going to get into the Glow Bomb lipstick. Oh no, there's another one right here. There we go, another one. This is Fair Glow. This is real light. It's for them ones, okay? And then these come with two in it. So you got your lipstick right here. This is the Glow Paradise Balm lipstick. Oh, this is the one that I took. I took the lipstick out of here. Yeah, this one has two in it. So you see it comes with one and one like that. Really cute. So I'm trying to see like if I'm gonna put these in there for the girls. Like everybody gets something different. And then I also have these as well. So really cute. Or I'm trying to see if I should just leave it in my makeup bag for my clients. So that was that. I'll figure out what I'm gonna do with that. Because I've been getting so many packages. I'm like, oh, it gets a little overwhelming. So that's that. And then we also have another package here. Oh, and it is from my friends over at Lancome. Lancome always send me some really cute stuff. They always keep they like black suede little boxes. So they sent me this, which is Renner GHPN Peptide Cream. Skin renews faster as if it's younger. Validated by surface cell renewal study. So visibly reduced 3 signs of aging: wrinkles, lower face sagging, and dark spots. So this is the cream here. And one thing about Lancome, baby, they gonna give you some nice, you know, some nice little stuff. So this is the cream right here. I'm gonna leave that closed. It look like it's leaking. That smells good. This is the Cream Anti-Aging Performance High Anti-Aging Cream. This is anti-aging cream. Maybe my mama could use this. So I ain't aging right now. But I know they say you're supposed to use it while you're young. And then this right here, yes, hyaluronic acid. Okay, Lancome. And it comes out in 2 like little forms. But I think, and it don't really got a scent. It's like just fresh. It's warm though. Okay, whatever that means. So those are all the things that I got in my P.O. box this week. So if y'all want to know, if y'all want to see more videos like this, be sure to thumbs up this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll do more videos like this so y'all can see what I be getting in my P.O. box. And if you want to know how to get into content creation and how to get brand packages and different, like, you know, get on PR lists and stuff,